Vikilicious Season 2, and we are cooking a vegetable kalwan which comes from Maharashtra. So the first things first, I've got some carrots, I've got some cauliflower, I've got some beans, okay. I have some very interesting seasonal vegetables here which I just bought this morning in the market. So I'm putting some beans here, okay, in here. And I also have some eggplant, okay, bengal, which we'll add later, okay. So I'm slicing the florets just like this. So now this is one of those recipes, perfect. So this is one of those recipes where you actually make a masala, and then I'm going to blend the masala, okay. And for the masala, let's start. So I'm using a mixture of coconut oil, okay, you know, coconut oil is really good. Coconut has something which is called selenium, okay. Coconut has something called selenium which actually activates your thyroid system, boosts your immunity. So cooking in coconut oil, using desiccated coconut, fresh coconut in your diet is very important. Okay, so I've got coconut oil, I've got some curry leaves here, okay. I've got some green chilies which I'm frying, and I've got some spring onions. So I've got spring onions, I've got curry leaves, I've got slit green chilies, and look what I've got, fresh green garlic, okay. So I'm going to put the fresh green garlic in this as well, okay. And I've got some ginger, fresh ginger, which I'm going to be grating here as well. Beautiful. So I've grated my fresh ginger here. Nice. And I also have some haldi, fresh turmeric, which I'm grating here as well. Look, beautiful. Really nice, really healthy, lovely recipe. So garlic is gone. Perfect. So we're going to give this a little stir, okay. So for people who are just joining in, welcome to Vikilicious Season 2, okay. So I have here with me curry leaves. So I added some coconut oil, I've added some curry leaves, I've added some ginger, I've added some green garlic, I've added some fresh turmeric, okay. Then I'm going to be adding some tomatoes, giving this a little mix. So I also have some desiccated coconut, grated coconut. So what I did was I took the grated coconut, I added some milk, I added some water, blended it. I made a beautiful coconut milk here. And now with the desiccated coconut, I'm going to actually add some coconut here, okay. So nothing goes to waste if you notice. So अभी हम इसको थोड़ा सा सेकेंगे. I'm going to be browning this very nicely. So this is going to get a nice, beautiful flavor. I hope you can see this. I'm going to give you a closer look. And into this, I'm adding a little bit of cumin powder and some nice Rajasthani red chili powder, okay? Mathania chili, it is spicy. And add in a little bit of coriander powder, okay? So we've got our basic masalas, we've got desiccated coconut, we've got curry leaves, we've got fresh ginger, fresh turmeric. And now we're going to bhuna this a little bit, okay? So we're just going to be, if you can see, it's getting a very nice color, this masala. And we are going to blend this actually, okay? So I'm adding a little bit of water, just a little bit in here, not too much. And we're going to cook this down a little bit, okay? I'm going to cook this down. So, especially in today's day and age, okay, we have to wash our vegetables very thoroughly, vegetables and fruits which come in, okay? And I love to use this Marico's Veggie Clean, okay? It's not made with any potassium, there's no chlorine, it's absolutely made with natural things, and 99.9% you kill all your germs. So it's very important. I just had a cap and then we just rinse it in water, that's it. So we're going to fry this a little bit, okay? I want to caramelize everything a little more. Thoda sa aur color, okay? Beautiful. So my vegetables are being steamed over here. I've got my masala which we are doing. I'm going to turn this up a little bit. I'm going to be adding just a little bit of olive oil. So I'm cooking with coconut oil and olive oil. It's a really nice mix, guys. Really nice mix. So literally we are caramelizing this a little bit. We put too much masalas in our food, so the whole essence, the whole nutrition, the flavor and the real veg is lost. So we have to try and change our cooking styles a little bit, okay? And get used to it. So we've got this lovely, nicely caramelizing here, okay? Beautiful. So you can see the tomatoes are nicely cooked. The coconut is getting also a nice color. I'm going to brown it a little bit more, not too much. Beautiful. I can see, wow, really nice aroma coming. Welcome to Maharashtra, guys. Welcome to Maharashtra. So I've used coconut oil. I was telling you about coconut oil, and it has something called selenium, which boosts your immunity, which gets the thyroid functions together. Curry leaves are great for antioxidants. They are anti-aging. They are anti-carcinogenic, okay? Which means that eating curry leaves prevents you from cancer, okay? Reduces your chance of getting cancer. Great for your blood circulation as well, curry leaves, and great for your heart as well, okay? So I'm going to be just caramelizing this, just a minute more. Superb. So next we're going to blend this. I'm going to switch this off. Okay. I'm going to switch this one off. And putting my masala in here. I should be using a spoon. Yeah, so I've got my masala which I'm going to grind right now. Okay. Right here. So we have our masala right here, okay, right here, beautiful, I love it. Now we have to blend this, okay. Now to blend it, I'm going to be using not too much, just instead of water, I'm going to be using this, a little bit of coconut milk. and getting your Kalwan masala ready. Okay. So we've got a really cool, nice Kalwan masala here. Beautiful. Oof. Fantastic. I love it. Okay, it's nice, it's rich, it's spicy. A lot of culture, a lot of flavor. Max nutrition. Okay. Veggies are beautifully steamed here. I'm going to switch these off. Okay. Let me tilt it a little bit for you now. Yeah, so see, my vegetables are steaming here. Beautifully cooked. I'm going to put this down. I also have my coriander here, into which I'm adding some veggie clean. Okay, just half a cap, 2 liters of water, and you're sorted. 99.9% safe. Letting it sit here for a couple of minutes, rinse them, clear water, boom, we are ready. This time I'm going to be putting a little bit of olive oil here. So I've got olive oil heating here, into which I'm adding a little bit of cumin seed. Okay, some jeera. I'm adding jeera, frying the jeera nicely. I'm adding a cinnamon stick here. Cinnamon stick also is great for energy, great to boost your metabolism. So I'm frying the cinnamon and jeera. Jeera is a good digestive. It's a blood cleanser as well. Okay, all our spices in Indian food have some stories or the other to tell, which are true. Okay, so I've got my jeera frying here. I've got my eggplant. I'm going to throw in the eggplant first. Great. So I've got my eggplant sauteing here. I'm going to be adding a little bit of asafoetida, some hing here, nice amount of hing. I'm adding a little bit of turmeric powder, another great antiseptic for you. I'm adding a little more red chili powder here, okay? And I'm adding a little bit of cumin powder, the same masalas. So what you do is half you actually put into the mix and half for cooking. Very simple. So I've got my eggplant sauteing here. And we are cooking in lovely olive oil this time. So you can see nice spices here. Next, we're going to be adding our paste. So we are going to give this a nice mix. Beautiful. So we are going to be cooking this paste out. It's already half cooked, if you remember. Lovely. So I have my vegetables here, beautifully steamed, perfectly cooked, not overcooked. The vegetables still have a bite to it, which is the key to eat vegetables, guys. We eat our vegetables, we overcook them. We should not do it. Otherwise, there's no point eating vegetables, guys. So giving this a nice, cooking this out a little bit. Fantastic. Next, some coconut milk. Amazing. So this is from the coconut, add some water, blend it, strain it, I get coconut milk. The rest I get this coconut pulp, which I've used the masala with. So the masala is made with the pulp, and the gravy is then made with the milk. So it's perfect, zero wasting. So we're going to give this a little stir, just like this. Fantastic. Now there are options. You can add tamarind, you can add lemon juice if you want that slight tang in it. I don't think I'm going to be doing it. I like the flavors that they are. I'm going to add some lovely pink salt right here. And this is just about to, I'm going to simmer this slow until the eggplant is cooked, and I'm going to be adding this veg here. So we have a lovely fresh coriander, all washed with Veggie Clean, which we're going to be adding on top as the garnish and make this lovely kalwan for you. You could eat this with multigrain rotis, steamed rice. Okay, you can. I'm going to eat it just by itself. I'm going to cool it down. And eat it cold. I love eating the bhajis. I cool them down and I love to eat them cold. So this is almost like a salad for me, you know. So temperature of the food is very important, and the beauty about it is that a good dish tastes really good the way it's supposed to be, but even when you cool it down, you can eat that dish in another form. So I love to eat all my sabzis as a salad. Okay, so I've got my lovely steamed veggies I'm putting in here as well. Now feel free to add any kind of veg you want into this as well. If you don't want to put no ginger, no garlic, no onion, and use root vegetables, this is a great dish for Navratri as well. Okay, you can add potatoes, sweet potatoes, anything you like. Now look at this gorgeous vegetable here, fantastico, as I say. So steamer job done. We move it at the back. Give this a little mix. Nice. So they're getting to a really nice consistency. Okay. I've got some fresh coriander which I've cleaned with Veggie Clean. I'm going to be adding, I'm going to chop this up and add it in here. Along with the stems and everything. The stems have a lot of juice. They have a lot of nutrition. Also coriander is a great mouth freshener. It's a great blood purifier as well. So we're adding some fresh coriander here as well. Beautiful. Give this a little mix. Nice. Gorgeous. It's time to taste it before I tell you that it's really good. Very important to taste your food before you give it to the others. Outstanding. Spicy. Ooh, but delicious. Let me plate this for you. Outstanding. Yes. So this gorgeous vegetable kalwan is ready. So vegetable kalwan ready. Here we go, guys. Beautiful vegetable. This is going to be the recipe and everything is going to be on the Instagram feed on Emami Live. So don't worry, guys. People who joined in late, no sweat. But this is a cracker of a recipe. Okay. So this is what I have left. This is going to be my lunch today. I'm going to cool some down and I'm going to make a nice multi-grain chapati roll with this as well. Okay. See, it's gorgeous. So this is your dish. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. And I'll see you again next week. Same time, same place, Sunday. Take care. Stay safe, be healthy and wash your vegetables with Veggie Clean.